Okay, we're going to explore how to insert a block. You can just type insert, and this is a list of all the blocks in the drawing. We want a different one. And then we'll insert it. Now if you insert it, it'll be on the layer that you have current. So if you want to pick a different layer, then you'll want to make that current. So we'll just pick logo, which we have in kind of an unusual color, but the block itself is none of those colors, so we'll just make it. And I think the way I have this drawing set up is it would actually come in that color. And I said drawing, I meant block. So we'll just make sure the block is in a normal color. And you can't see what's going on here, but I'm just going here, changing it to red, which in my drawing is a thin line type. Get rid of this and move this here. And there you go. That's how you insert a block.